Hi, Miss Powers. Thank you for having me at your office today. It is a beautiful office at that. So I'd like to show you today what Quip has to offer, and just like the products that you described and what you're looking for. So we're going to go over that today. So we have here, who is Quip? Quip is a company that was founded by Johnson & Johnson, and they came out with Quip products in 2015. They are in the United States. Bob Johns, he's the founder of Quip. He wanted to find a toothbrush out there. He didn't like what was out in the market. So he decided to design something that was not bulky, had too many parts, and can use maybe not even a charger. So those are the same concerns that you had about the toothbrush. So Bob decided to collaborate with Tom Smith, and they went and made a phenomenal toothbrush to provide good oral care, simple, affordable, and the patients love it. It's very enjoyable for them. So the packaging, shipping. So the toothbrushes, they come in a 2.5 by 10 inch plastic little container. So it's very minimal storage space that you have to use. And well, the shipping, we can have your products out in 2 to 3 days. You'll have them in your office. Does that sound good for you? Great. So you mentioned you need 5 cases. Is that still the same number that you need? You need 8. Okay, so that would be not a problem. And you also mentioned that you would possibly need some other floss or toothpaste or other accessories. So we can go over that shortly here. Next, let's talk about the toothbrush. Everybody's talking about it. It's on dental websites. It's everywhere. So what toothbrush do you use? Burst? Okay, that's a great product as well. So then we have the toothbrush itself. So we have the toothbrush, simplified, electric, aluminum handle. The design is just beautiful. Very soft bristles, 2-minute timer, vibrates to when you need to go to the next area. So the sonic brush head, it vibrates 15,000 strokes per minute. That sounds fast, but it is very gentle on the gums. So good experience and very effective. So Quip's toothbrush, it's one of the first toothbrushes on the market approved by the American Dental Association. So that speaks loudly. There's over 15,000 offices that offer Quip in their office. So dentists, hygienists, assistants, they have been given toothbrushes, and 99% of them switch over to Quip. So this slide right here, this is what you expressed as your biggest problem. And I'm so glad I'm here to show you that all these models on the market, they have the great features, but they're just bulky with the chargers, a lot of big boxes to store in the office if you're going to be carrying them, and they are phenomenal toothbrushes, but they're just not what you're looking for. So on to the next slide. At the moment, Quip comes in 14 different colors, so you have many to choose from. Which colors do you like that you see on there? Oh, you like the aqua colors? Aren't they beautiful? I love them too. So let's see. Then this is so cool. So this sleek and eye-catching design, the Jet Black collection, is now available. And the proceeds go to the Oral Cancer Foundation. Isn't that awesome? So maybe this will be one of your choices that you pick for the office. So, here's the kids' Quip. So the kids' Quip, just like the adults, but it includes music and sparkling lights when the toothbrush is going. So kids go crazy over it. Do you have any kids? Yes? Oh, they'll love this. They'll go crazy over it. So next I want to talk to you about the pricing compared to other. So the pricing, it just shows that Quip is a lot. and shows that the performance is just outstanding compared to the competitors. So wanted to give you information about how to increase the overall profits, and we do give each staff member a toothbrush to try out, and they can give their reviews to the patients. So that's really neat incentive. Then we have the reviews. These reviews are on the website for you to read. It's just unbelievable how many 5-star reviews we've received. We have our accessories, and the accessories are the refill floss, the mouthwash, and the toothpaste. So basically our promise to our consumers is that we will always concentrate on oral care research, and we are available 24/7. Did you have any other questions that we can go over? No? Okay, well here's the brochure that you can fill out and just put the number of each toothbrush that you would like to order. I thank you for having me today.